Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Can you listen me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Last session, as we had studied how to change direct into indirect. If anyone has doubt, you can ask it. Today we will start a new lecture, new topic that will be how to convert assertive to interrogative sentence. This will be asked in your transformation of the sentence. Convert an assertive to interrogative sentence. Can you see this here screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So without
Yes,
changing its
teacher.
meaning, okay, without changing its meaning, how to convert assertive to interrogative. So what is assertive sentence? Do you know?
Statement.
Positive sentence.
Okay, positive and negative sentence. First of all, we will know that there are four types of sentence. First one is assertive sentence. Second one is interrogative. Third is imperative, and fourth one is exclamatory. So
Good
assertive
morning, teacher.
sentence, yes. Fourth one is exclamatory. There are four types of
Yes, teacher.
sentences.
Good morning.
So first is assertive, and in assertive there are two sentences, negative and affirmative both. So assertive means statement. So how to change assertive sentence to interrogative sentence? There are two steps. We will follow the two steps. First one is when the sentence is in affirmative, we will convert into negative. In interrogative, this is assertive sentence. When we change into interrogative, we will follow this. And second one, we will use helping verb and start of the sentence. So let's see what happened that it is in interrogative form. Just I'm saying here, who does not know you? Okay, slide is before you. One sentence is who does not know you. This is which type of sentence? This is interrogative sentence. Okay.
Teacher, your voice is not
Interrogative
coming
sentence.
clearly.
Okay, listen it carefully. First one, who does not know you? This is interrogative sentence. And when it is told to you how to change into assertive, then you will say that you will write it. Everyone knows you means interrogative negative. This is interrogative sentence, but it is also negative. Interrogative in negative form. So it will be converted into assertive. Then the answer will be everybody knows you. It is an assertive. Second way, there are two, in this two form we can change it. First one, all know you. Means here, negative sentence. If the sentence is interrogative in negative form, it will be converted into assertive or affirmative. Here sentence, who does not know, it is negative sentence. But when it is told to convert into assertive, we will change it into affirmative, right? Second one, who does not know Narendra Modi? This is interrogative sentence in negative form. Clear? So negative sentence will be converted into affirmative in assertive sentence. So here the answer will be everybody knows Narendra Modi. First, what you are saying here, in the place of who, it is written everybody, and does not means this is negative sentence. So here it will be changed into affirmative. Everybody knows Narendra Modi, right? And second one, you can also write all know Narendra Modi. That is the formation of interrogative into assertive sentence. Third one is who does not love his country. This is interrogative sentence, but it is in negative form. So interrogative sentence, when it is converted into assertive, it is in negative, so it will be changed into affirmative. So here you can see who does not love his country, it will be changed into assertive form. So everybody, yeah, either you can say all loves his country. So what did you notice here? First one, negative sentence will be changed into affirmative. If the interrogative sentence is in negative form, it will be changed into affirmative. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Move to next one. Who doesn't wish to win? So this is interrogative sentence, but it is in negative form, right? And it will be changed into affirmative. So affirmative will be in the place of who. We will write everybody, and does not mean it will be changed into affirmative, and not will be removed. Everybody wish to win, or you can write it all wish to win. This is the formation of interrogative, change of interrogative into assertive. Right? We have noticed that when the sentence is in negative, when the interrogative sentence is in negative form, it will be converted into affirmative. Move to next. Who doesn't love flower? Next one, who doesn't love flowers? Here, the answer will be everybody loves flower. So what did you notice here? Interrogative negative sentence is converted into affirmative. Clear? Next one, what can? And in the place of what can, we will write nothing can. My question is, what can ruin him? This is a interrogative affirmative sentence. It is not negative sentence. You can see what can ruin him. Is there any use of negative word? No. Here it is not negative word. So in the place of what, we will write what can, nothing. Means affirmative sentence will be converted into negative, and the negative will be converted into affirmative. So here we can see what can ruin him. This is interrogative affirmative. We will convert it into negative. Nothing can ruin him. And at the end of the sentence, we will use full stop. In interrogative sentence, don't forget the interrogation mark. So always put the interrogation mark at the end of the sentence. Clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Can you give the answer, anyone, those who are in the class? Am I a teacher? What will be the interrogative of this sentence? Those who are in the class, please give one. Devanshi, am I a teacher? Change it into assertive. This is interrogative sentence.
I am a
Am-
teacher.
No. Am I a teacher? This is interrogative affirmative. You have to change into negative. Am I a teacher? What the assertive sentence of this?
Teacher, can I say?
Yes,
She is not a teacher.
but here she not there. I, use I. This pronoun don't change. Use I. Yes, proceed. Yes, do it fast.
Teacher,
Pri-
teacher, can I say?
Yes, Priyanshi. Let's start. Do it fast. Am I a teacher? This am I a teacher? This is interrogative affirmative sentence.
Teacher,
Be
can I
attentive.
say?
This yes,
I am not a teacher.
yes, and no. I am not a teacher. And at the end of the sentence, we will put full stop. Remember it. When the sentence is in affirmative interrogative, your answer will be negative assertive. Okay. Am I a teacher? I am not a teacher. Then full stop. I am not a teacher. The answer will be am I a teacher? Means this you have to change into negative form. So what the, okay. One question also I want to ask. What the question tag of this sentence? Am I a teacher? Can anyone say what the question tag of this sentence? Can anybody say question tag of this sentence? Do you know what is question tag? Last year, I think you had studied question tag, how to use question tag.
Teacher, can I?
Yes, Parsha. Say.
No. I
Okay,
am.
yes, start. Who is there? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
I am a teacher, isn't it?
No, isn't it not? Anti. AIN apostrophe T. Anti isn't not. Don't use is. Because is I. Here we will use with I, ant I. Am I a teacher? Ant I, A-I-N apostrophe T, right? Then I, ant I, right? Clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, am I a teacher? When it is told to you, make question tag. So, you will use am I a teacher? Then after comma, anti. Next one, here you can see here the answer. First one, am I a teacher? Assertive, I am not a teacher. Got? Did you get the answer? Second one,
Yes.
am I not a teacher? So, second one, you also see the second sentence. This is second sentence is negative interrogative. Am I not a teacher? When the answer will be, I am a teacher. So, what did you notice here? First one is there interrogative affirmative. It is changed into negative assertive. And second is interrogative negative and it is changed into affirmative assertive, right? Clear? So write, okay, write it in your notebook. It will be good for you. Okay. Next one. Did I not give you some money yesterday? This is interrogative in negative form. What the answer will be? I gave you some money yesterday. Is it clear or any doubt? Okay. What the question tag of this sentence? I gave you some money yesterday. Can anybody say?
Didn't I?
What the didn't I? Right. Very good. Very good. So this is I gave you some money yesterday. Didn't I? And this didn't I you have used here in interrogative sentence. So did I not? Here you can write did I not, and then rest of the sentence complete the sentence. Did I not give you some money yesterday? Okay, this is interrogative sentence. When the question tag is asked, then you write only didn't I. So this is the syllabus of for your second term exam. So this question tag, interrogative sentence, and this your exclamatory sentence also will be asked. Next one is active and passive voice, and direct and indirect. Second question, can a man live forever? This is interrogative affirmative sentence. Can a man live forever? So what the answer of this assertive? So if the sentence is interrogative affirmative, so your answer will be negative. So here, can a man live forever? The answer will be a man cannot live forever. Right? A man cannot live forever. Your answer will be in negative form. Clear? Third one, shall I ever? Okay. Anybody can say what the question tag of this sentence? A man cannot live forever.
Can he?
Okay, can he? Okay. Can he? A man cannot live forever. Can he? Right? And first one, can a man live forever? What the question tag? Can a man live forever? Tanuj, give the answer. Can a man live forever? The question tag of this sentence.
Can a man live forever? Isn't it? Or aren't will not?
No, no, no. Here your helping verb is given. Can is given. You use this helping verb. Can't he?
Yes, can't.
Yes, can't he? Don't miss the helping verb. Whatever helping verb is used in the sentence, you have to use this helping verb. With the help of this verb, you complete your sentence. So here will be can't he. This is affirmative. Your question tag will be negative. And when the sentence is negative, your question tag will be affirmative. Clear? And move to third one. Shall I ever forget those unhappy days of my life? This is interrogative affirmative sentence. Shall I ever forget those unhappy days of my life? So interrogative affirmative sentence will be this negative assertive. What the question tag of this sentence? Shall I ever?
Shouldn't I, teacher?
Shalln't I?
Yes. Shouldn't I? Yes. Shouldn't I? Shall I ever? To student I. The interrogative of this first one, shall I ever forget those unhappy days my life? Shouldn't I? Next one, shall I never forget those unhappy
Should
days
I?
of my life?
Should I?
Should I? Correct, right. Okay, I think all of you know about this. Very good. Move to next one. So, in this slide it is given, is there anything? When the question is asked by using is there anything, your answer will be there is nothing. The next sentence is there before you. Is there anything wrong with you? Means you have to change into assertive without changing meanings. So meanings will not be changed. So is there anything wrong with you? Your answer will be in assertive form. There is nothing wrong with you. Did you notice here anything? It is in affirmative, and here we have to change it into negative nothing. Right? Okay. Next one. Didn't he play football? Can you say which type of tense? Anybody? Didn't he play good football? Which type of tense?
Past. Present.
Past. Oh, this is simple past. Who is saying present? Didn't he? This is simple past sentence in negative form. Interrogative sentence. So, what the question tag of this sentence? Didn't he play good football?
Did he? Did he?
Did he? Correct. Correct. Right. And next one. The answer, your assertive will be of this sentence. He played good football. So what did you notice here? The assertive will be in affirmative form. So he played good football, right? And what the question tag of this sentence? He played good football.
Didn't he? Didn't he?
Didn't he? He played good football, didn't he? And didn't he play good football? The question tag?
Did he?
Did he? Correct. So this way we will use the question tag, and this way that is before you, we will change into interrogative into assertive. Next one. Doesn't she like ice cream? And can anybody say which type of tense?
Present.
This is present tense in negative form, correct? So this is present tense, negative form, and interrogative sentence. So this interrogative sentence, it will be changed into affirmative in assertive sentence. So the affirmative of she likes ice cream. And it is there before you. Can anybody give the question tag of this? Doesn't she like ice cream? What the
Teacher,
question
can I-
tag?
Does
Yes.
she?
Does
Yes, start. Give answer.
Does she?
Does she?
Does she? Correct. So here the question tag will be in affirmative form. Does she? So next one, she likes ice cream. What the question tag of this sentence?
Doesn't she?
Doesn't she? Right. Correct. Doesn't she? So with the help of this, we are learning two types of sentence. The how to convert into interrogative to assertive, and second one, how to use question tag. Go to next one. When your question interrogative sentence start with or it is there ever, your answer will be never, and anything will be changed into nothing. Next sentence is there. Do you ever? This is affirmative sentence in negative interrogative. So this is sentence. Do you ever play? So your answer will be negative. In assertive sentence, your answer will be negative form. Clear? Through reading the sentence, you can understand how to change it. Without changing its meaning, we have to change the sentence through reading it and using this formula. So, do you ever play football? What the question tag of this sentence?
Do you?
No, do you ever play
Don't
football?
you?
Question tag of
Don't
this.
you?
This is affirmative
Don't you?
sentence. Don't you? Correct. Don't you? Your answer will be in negative form with by using helping verb. Here, helping verb is do. So the answer will be don't you. Correct. And next one, you never play football. What the question
you?
tag?
Do you?
Do you? Correct.
Do you?
Very good. Correct. Do you? Do you? Then question mark, interrogative mark. Move to next sentence here. Will he ever forget that experience? This is interrogative affirmative. Clear? Will he ever forget that experience? And which tense this is? Can anybody say the tense?
Future.
Yes?
Future.
Future tense.
Future
Future
tense.
tense.
Okay, good. This is a simple future tense. Will he ever forget? Simple future tense, affirmative, interrogative sentence. Correct. Your answer will be he will never. In the place of ever, we will change into negative by using never. He will never forget that experience, right? Okay. When you read the sentence, read it completely, understand it, then change into the sentence into assertive sentence if it is told, and if it is told negative and it is told, use the question tag. So read it carefully. Move to next sentence. Have I anything to do? Have I, and this, can you say which type of sentence? Which type of tense?
Present.
Have I, this is present tense. Have I anything to do? This is simple present tense. And this is an affirmative form interrogative sentence. So your answer will be in negative form and assertive. So I have nothing. In the place of anything, we will write nothing. I have nothing to do. And what the question tag of this sentence?
Haven't I?
Haven't I? Very good, correct. Haven't I? And what the question tag of second one? I have nothing
Have
to
I?
do. Have I? Very good, correct.
Have
Okay,
I?
good. Well done. You are doing good. So keep it up. Always continue your study. Move to next one. How can we write cannot? You can see the sentence here below. How can man remain immortal? This is how can man remain immortal? This is your interrogative sentence by using can models. So this is affirmative too. So we will convert into negative form. Man cannot remain immortal. What the question tag of this sentence? First one, how can man remain immortal? What the question tag?
Can't he?
Can't he? Right, can't he? And next one, man cannot remain immortal.
Can he?
Can he? Very good. Can he? So what did you notice here? When the sentence is in negative form, it will be converted into affirmative, and when the sentence it is in affirmative, it will be changed into negative. So this way we will make and we will use question tag also. Correct? The question is, when can their glory fade? This is the question. The answer will be their glory can never fade. So what did you see here? In the place of when can, we had written here can never. With this sentence, when you read the sentence, you can understand the meaning, and without changing its meaning, you can convert into assertive form. The question is, when can their glory fade? Your assertive sentence will be, their glory can never fade. Correct? That is all about today's lecture. If anyone has doubt, so shall I proceed next topic? Active and passive. What do you want?
Yes. In the last page we have done, what is the question tag of that?
Okay, yes. What's there? That sentence, repeat the sentence.
Their glory can never fade.
Okay. Their glory can never fade. What the question tag of both sentence? Their glory can never fade.
Can't there.
Okay, can't it? Can't there. Okay, their glory can't there. First one, when can their glory fade? Can't there. Can't there. What, and their glory can never fade?
Can there.
Can there. Can there. Then use question mark here. So that this question we had understood, we had learned today question tag and how to change interrogative sentence into affirmative. So now we are going to stop this.